Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday evening. I'm James Spann. Showers very hard to find today. Very similar weather tomorrow, but rain chances gradually increase later in the week. Let's get in there and take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. This is the view coming from Inverness in Shelby County from high atop the Wingate Inn. Got some fair weather cumulus clouds around. Actually, a few of those have popped into showers. They're tiny, but we got a few out there. You can count the number of showers on one hand, and they're only about 1 mile wide. As I do this update, there's the Gadsden Skycam. Again, that's a very typical summer sky, field of cumulus clouds. And it pretty much looks the same down at Gulf Shores. Partly sunny summer day, big crowds, lots of sun. And if you're beach-bound, typical stuff through the weekend, about 6 to 8 hours of sunshine each day with a routine chance of scattered showers and storms. If it rains, and it moves on. Boy, look at that upper high that's a little east of Chicago. That's 6,000 meters in the core of that thing. And it's kind of expanding out, and the warmer air aloft has moved into North Alabama. It's a reason we don't have any showers today. Upper low is over New Mexico, moving west. There's a look at a better analysis of the contours. And again, this is at 500 millibars. And that 594 ring represents some pretty hot weather. Thank goodness we've got very good soil moisture here, which is knocking the heat down here. That 594 ring runs all the way from Omaha to Boston. Look at numbers around the nation. You can see the east is pretty hot. Really could be hotter with the upper high like that. Still nice and cool over Colorado and New Mexico with the upper low. But our numbers, quite frankly, are below forecast. You know, we expected to reach 90 today, and so far we've not made it. It's only 86 at Birmingham. Those were at 2 o'clock. And we might get close, but still, those are below average for mid-July. And, you know, if we don't make 90 today, we've only made it on one day for the entire month, which is remarkable. There's the watch warning map. Got some heat advisories up north, states like Michigan, Wisconsin, parts of Minnesota and Iowa. To the east, New York City and Boston with heat advisories. Flash flood watches for parts of Texas, New Mexico, Arizona. And red flag warnings up in the northwest. That's for a high wildfire danger. No formal severe weather risks for the rest of today and tonight. Tomorrow, 3 slight risks up on the Canadian border, and that's where the action will stay on Thursday. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. This carries us through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock local time. This is showing rain amounts of about 1/2 to 1 inch, and it's hit and miss. Somebody might get 1 inch of rain just from one downpour one afternoon, but that's just kind of an average look there. Tropical weather. Again, things pretty quiet. No issues to talk about. So let's take a look at modeling. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. Upper highs hanging over Indianapolis and Cincinnati. And again, that's about a 6,000 meter high. Upper low is over southern New Mexico. And down below that, the GFS is pretty dry. It's spitting out a 1% chance of a shower tomorrow. But the NAM shows a few pockets of showers and storms cropping up tomorrow afternoon. This is 5 o'clock, and looks like the better chance might be over northeast Alabama, but I think we certainly need to mention widely scattered showers and storms tomorrow. And the high should be around 90. Again, the GFS is printing 96, and that is just way out of line. It's been consistently 5 degrees too hot for a long time. This is Thursday. Again, we'll be up around 90, and really the NAM is pretty dry. This is Thursday evening at 7 o'clock. We'll mention the risk of an afternoon storm in a few spots, but this particular run not looking very wet. Friday, very typical summer weather, partly sunny, the chance of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. High temperatures upper 80s to near 90, and as we kick off the weekend, you can see the upper high is long gone. Big trough is coming through the Great Lakes. We'll see if that can push a surface boundary in here maybe early next week. Upper high developing out west, and down below that, very routine summer weather. Mixture of clouds and sunshine, scattered showers and storms, best chance afternoon and evening, exactly what you expect this time of the year. Probably upper 80s for the high on Saturday. And then Sunday, the same deal, although a surface boundary is dropping in here from the north. That might enhance the coverage of showers and storms. It's a nice, cool, dry high up over the UP of Michigan. And we'll go to Monday, and the drier air tries to work in here. And let's go to Tuesday. The GFS continues the idea of a pretty strong shortwave rolling through here with the axis east of the state by Tuesday. And if this is right, it tries to bring in dry air for a day. Just maybe that will happen, but certainly a week in advance, we're not going to forecast that. We'll go with the persistence forecast for now and fine-tune that as need be. We'll check the end of the forecast. The 1st of August, as the summer of 2013 rolls along. Upper high is over Salt Lake City and Denver, troughing to the north of us. And again, that looks very standard summer weather, a boundary north of us, and temperature's not that bad with the risk of scattered showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News on the live stream or the television side this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Hey, this is Ross with my partner Bob. We have a show called Worldview Matters.
And Ross, as you know, we believe that everything in life is somehow related to how people view the world around them.
Our show is available on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app. Also available on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.